Hi, it's Steve DeVal from Thor Motor Coach. Over the years, you have said, you know what, I love a toy hauler. I just want to be able to take more stuff with me. Have we got the toy hauler for you? This is the Outlaw Wild West Edition, talking with Derek Massing, our factory outlaw specialist, and this is what people have been looking for.
That's correct. The Wild West Edition is going to offer our customers the essentials. So we're bringing you all your favorite content and camp ready content to the 38K Wild West Edition.
2,000 pounds in the garage. That's a huge upgrade.
By redesigning the features both inside and outside, it allows us to have more garage capacity than ever. It's going to allow you to take more toys that maybe didn't fit in other iterations of the Outlaw.
Well, yeah, we'll get into, we should just start in the garage. And one of the things that I really like about this is because we just strip the garage. You don't have this cabinets above, or you don't have the bunks. I mean, it's now literally the sky is the limit in here.
Well, of course, we've always called the Outlaw a toy hauler, but there's so many more things than toys that get put back here. So this gives our customers a blank canvas to be a little more creative in how they use this space. So it may be the motorcycles and the four-wheelers and dirt bikes, but it could be your business in the back of this. It could be your showing dogs. It could be a variety of things. And by having this blank canvas down here, you just got more options in how you can use this space.
We have a full-timer named Phil in his Outlaw, and he uses his garage as a music studio, which is totally cool. When he gets together in his band, and this is where they jam.
And a customer like Phil probably saw this space as something that he can make his own to work for his lifestyle.
Yeah, so walk us through what we got here, and then we'll work our way up front.
So, we've got the loft is out of this, so we've got a taller interior height for those people with golf carts, especially if you've got that lifted up. And with this now 2,000 pounds of capacity instead of 1,200, so still the space in a 10-foot garage, 8 feet wide, to possibly fit 2 fully dressed bikes side by side. You still got all your storage up over the top. Of course, your separate garage AC unit and your max air fan up top, so we can still get that great ventilation. So it still doubles as an awesome hangout and party space in the back of this garage.
The ramp will still make into a patio, correct?
You can still pull that up and use that as a patio, of course.
Awesome. And the tie downs back here, little jump start station.
So still bringing you all your favorite essential camp ready features.
All right, into the bedroom. We'll just work our way backwards through here. I like the way that we have the massive bed and a wall of storage.
So the king bed has always been, an essential for a lot of customers. They want to have the big sleeping space. We're spending a third of our time here. And we put that across from our washer dryer prep in this floor plan. So these two things in this bedroom area are very important. And again, you still see all the storage here.
Yeah, and the decor, I love the light gray decor. The cabinets look great. It's very updated. It's very homey, very warm.
Of course.
Light feeling here. We got our controls for our rapid camp, our inverter. And the bathroom is another place that's so important. And this one is just massive, especially when it comes to headroom.
So you can see we got our new printed shower surround inside here, and we're not skimping on the bathroom. We know this is an important space for us to be comfortable when we're showering, so we got the oversized shower in here, so we're in and out of there and we're comfortable while getting ready for the day.
All right, and this will be residential fridges. We're into the kitchen here?
Yes.
All right.
Solid surface countertop, 2 burners if you want to run propane, or you have the option for induction with the convection microwave. So still a chef-friendly kitchen and cooking area, still bringing you all those things that are going to make this camp ready.
And this is a great addition. This you wouldn't think that just changing the sink covers from the matching to this would make such a difference, but for washing and drying, it's huge.
Well, it's great because now I can just dry everything on here when I'm done with it, and it's just a cleaner look.
Yep. And then we get into our seating, and I like the way that this is just you have the opposed seating and then the captain's chair. So kind of walk us through this layout, because this is really conducive for entertaining.
So we can pretty comfortably fit 5, 6, 7 adults in here when we're hanging out, having a couple cocktails a night, breakfast in the morning, whatever that is. The child safety tether, so we can put a car seat in here comfortably, because we want to take the whole family with us. And again, everybody's hanging out in one space. Nobody's separated out. So with these captain's chairs turning this opposing seating, we're all in one area enjoying each other's company.
All right, and so jackknife, this jackknife sofa?
Jackknife sofa, so you've got extra sleeping there. You've got the dinette. This is going to drop into sleeping. My family loves to travel with that down and turn it into a day bed.
Oh, do
so
they?
you got some extra versatility in how you can use this space. And of course, you still have your drop down bed for extra sleeping. So lots of sleeping options here. Lots of different places to be comfortable and enjoy the living space in this.
And then the tried and true Ford F-53.
Yeah, and you know, with the V8 Godzilla engine, this platform is better than ever for a toy hauler. And this Wild West edition offers 2,000 pounds in the garage, but it's almost 5,000 pounds of cargo capacity in this edition. And that helps us carry that 150 gallons of fresh water that we can put in our tank and all the gear and equipment we may want to take with us.
Yeah, and then if you want to hook up a tow vehicle or whatever it is, you can really know where we want to go.
So it's all about the versatility.
Yeah.
It's a blank canvas that our customers can really enjoy, customizing it and making it their own, making this space work for them and how they want to use this.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's the Outlaw Wild West Edition. This is the 38K. You can build your own by visiting thormotorcoach.com.